Okay, so today we're going to look at the order entry inquiry screen. This will allow you to inquire on sales order information for open or closed sales orders, reprinting of forms, pick tickets, invoices, take a look at the order status and order information. It's an inquiry only form. But first, we're going to put an order in, right? This is, we'll put an order in, customer 22. Again, if you're new to this at your navigation, you can go here, OE, it'll bring up sales order. Also find it here, sales order. And what we're going to be working on today is order lookup and inquiry. So I can find it here, order processing, order lookup and inquiry. All right. But I'm going to put this order in. And while I put this order in, I want to make a distinction here. As you put an order in, a shipment record is when a sales order is created, and that's what we're doing now. And also something else to point out, I might have pointed out this is a temporary order number here. I'm not going to change anything else here. If you want more information on this data here on this screen you're seeing, go back and watch the full version one. So let's put this in 5432 123 100 5432 112. All right, now so we'll put our sales order in, but a shipment record is when a sales order is created. The quantity that is available to be used is committed to the order. So available to be used, 50 is committed to the order. Committed. When the warehouse is ready to pick the order, to get it ready for the customer, a pick ticket is created from the sales order. This is the order. When the pick ticket is created is what we call a shipment record, which has the information that was printed on the shipment record. This will be identified by ending 4 numbers. And notice here the order number is temporary, and we're going to go over that again. The reason I want you to know that is this will be identified by the ending 4 numbers. So it'll be whatever order number is, -100001 or 2. At the end of a sales order. This also is known as a manifest ID. So I have completed my sales order here, and I'm going to hit accept, and when I hit accept, it's going to print a ticket. This is a picking slip, okay? And notice right here, this order number is now -0001. So, and I'll explain this here in just a second. Okay, so like I said, now, well, where did the order go? And I forgot to write down the order number. Oh well, that's okay, because what we're doing today is we're going to look at this order inquiry lookup information, right? Now again, like I said, we can go here from the menu and get it right there, or we can go over here and type it in. If I've used it lately, it'll be over here on my left-hand side, and I don't see it over there, so that's okay though. But also something neat, if you haven't noticed, is it says orders right here. If I click here, it brings up the screen, which is kind of neat. So again, we can reprint forms, we can look at orders, and what I recommend for you to do here is I just want you to see this, and you can see all the orders. If I know the run code, which is OEINQ, and it'll bring up the same screen. But when I bring up the same screen, it's blank here. So let's take a look. If I print orders here, it gives me all my orders already, which is fine. So let's close this. So let's go back over here. OEINQ. Now also, if you notice when I stopped typing, it gave me a list of things. I can double click it here. In case you don't know the full run code, you can type in a little bit of it and it'll take you there. I want you to look at these options you have here. There are many options to choose from, so click on any field that displays screen to see what features are available to choose from and see what your results will be. Okay, so now we're going to look at, I have a customer. If I knew that order number, I could just simply go here, type in my order number, and be able to view that order. But I want to look up all the orders for the customer. I could do that a couple ways. One, customer ID, and the customer ID is 22. And now I'm just checking my customer here to make sure I didn't get anybody else, because see, my customer ID says begins, and if I say matches, I should get the same list, which is fantastic. So if I wanted to, I'm pretty sure I can send this out to Excel. And that's all the orders that are in there. Come on. And I have, and there's my order number. I can sort it by order number. That's all my orders. Looks like there's quite a few of them. All right, minimize that out. Now I'm looking for also another feature here you might want to make a note of is right here. I can click this, left click this, and it'll sort them. See what it's doing there? Okay. Now two distinctions also. S record top and an O record top. If you select the O record top and you hit print to screen, guess what it's going to give you? Right, order acknowledgement. Yay. If you select the S and hit print, guess what it's going to give you? That's right, picking slip. Okay. So make sure you choose the right one when you're doing that. Now you can also over here, you can do only back orders with only back orders on. I can sort this. I can sort any of these little fields. You can double click and it'll change the sorting. Let's see, open. Any of these are closed, so they'll say no on them. And now I can do just closed. I should get those three, right? There they are. So now I've done with only back orders and closed, so uncheck that. And now I get all the closed orders for this customer. It's pretty neat. And you can change this over here. You just want to see if there's any invoices. Okay, a couple of invoices, and which is a close, so it's closed. Shipment complete. Yeah, so let's pick this one and hit print. Okay, maybe this one. All right. Yeah, so you can kind of play around with this. You can set this to warehouse 1, the go button, and you get to see the status. Let's go back to open, back to shipments, and let's find our order from today. Right there. Now let's look at it. Audit trail. You can see sales order entry, who created it, the date, not sortable. You can see when it was created. All right, so we get an audit trail. Oh, and on this order right here, I could enter the shipping information if I had it. See, there's that 2042001, right? So I can enter my shipping information. Now notice here when I opened that screen, it did not create a tab up here. So to close this, I got to go here. If I wanted to view this order, I can click view. It's going to open up shipments inquiry. I can look at the lines, totals, shipments. Close that right here. Let's look at orders and hit go. And now let's look at sort this thing again because it's 242 is the one today. And let's hit view on this one. And this opens up order inquiry. I can't change anything here. I just can view it. So close. Now we're back to the order lookup and inquiry. Let's try. Let's go to item search. Type in the 5432. And I get, there's my order for today. All right, so that's a order entry inquiry review of that screen. You can notice any of this stuff here you can select or change what you're looking for: open, close, quotes, the record type, and the class. So I mean, we could just do W. All right, there you go. That's a